Explain about variants. This is something like A to Z. We are touching A to Z in one snap actually. Let me first I will read so that you can read later actually. Sir, always discussion starts from data set. The next one, data frame, feature engineering, array, machine learning. Trust me, you know these are all. I'm sure you already know these are all. Am I right? But Daniel, why you didn't introduce previously? Previously not ML topic, right, sir? Today ML topic actually. Then I should explain to end. After machine learning algorithm, can you talk with me, sir? One more time. One more time. Cost function. After cost function, can you tell me gradient descent algorithm? Come on, read slowly by slowly. Gradient descent algorithm. One more time. Gradient descent algorithm. What is gradient descent algorithm? 1 hour discussion. What is cost function? 20 minutes discussion. Practically, we'll see. Inside gradient descent algorithm, two things are happening. I will tell you practically. What all those things are happening, you know, Sajay? Increasing accuracy, reducing error. Chappan sir? Increasing accuracy. One more time. Increasing accuracy, decreasing error. So reducing is I'm habituated in my company, but still okay. Increase, decrease. You will get a more clarity. Are you talking about error, Daniel? Yeah. There are two types of error. First one is a bias error. Next one is variance error. First one is what error, Sajay? Bias error. The next one is what error? Variance error. Variance error actually. Variance error. Okay. 1 minute. I have added one word which is so called as a bias error and variance error. Then let me correct this. That's it, man. Hey, Daniel, we didn't even understand any word. You no need to understand. By heart it actual. I will tell you later, slowly by slowly. Okay. Just one time, everybody we are going to read. Get ready, sir. This is ML flow. It's okay if it is taking some 30 minutes time also. We have to, before you are coming for tomorrow session, rep morning మీరు వచ్చే లోపు ఇదంతా కూడా బై హార్ట్ చేసి వచ్చేయాలి. Right? Suddenly I will tell increasing accuracy. Then you should know that word. Suddenly I will tell bias error. Suddenly I will tell variance error actually. Everybody, only one time. Come on, let us read. Data set, data frame. Sir, low bias, high bias, low variance, high variance. Can you read one more time? Low bias, high bias, low variance, high variance. I may not write everything. Why? Because you know, ఇంకా రాసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే ఇంకా మొత్తం paragraphs అయిపోతుంది. It's okay. You will get an idea. Bias, low bias, high bias. Variance, low variance, high variance. Yeah, move on. I hope you understand ML flow. ML flow మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. What is the next one? చెప్పండి సార్. Machine learning steps. ML steps actually. What is the next steps, you know, Sarji? Machine learning steps. ML steps, right? These steps will be the first one, importing the libraries. The next one, loading the. Can I give one small guarantee? Trust me, you guys will become expert in ML if you follow my sessions as it is. No doubt in that. ML will become your favorite topic rather than Python, Pandas. ML my favorite topic, right? If you are very good in machine learning, data science, AI, these are all very small one. A small piece of cake actually. Loading the data set. Loading the data set. Third one is data preparation. Fourth one is splitting the data set. And fifth one is model creation. Sixth one is model training. Seventh one is prediction. Seventh one is what subject? Prediction. Okay, perfect. This is so called as ML steps. This is so called as what subject? ML steps. Any important? If it is not important, why I will write here, sir? Chapter. This is very, very important. Second one is called as ML steps. Let us just to read. I hope Ashisha, I guess. When I was teaching in Amirpet, there was one student, and she's an average student. She used to prepare subject, not topper, not below average. She used to prepare like an average student. Uh, she attended interview. She came and she told actually, Daniel, yesterday I have given an interview. Good company. Then during that interview, that person directly told, I don't have much time to ask total things actually. What you know in ML, kindly please explain. Trust me, she explained these 3 steps. What she explained, Chapan sir, first one, ML flow, the next one, ML steps, the next one, accuracy, error, and model. That guy, he didn't tell anything. He told directly, you selected for the next round. You selected for what, man? Next round, actually. I mean to say, if you're able to deliver these are all things, actually, trust me, you're touching machine learning A to Z. End to end in one snapshot, actually. That is very, very important. Okay. Come on, sir. Let us read one more time. ML steps. What all steps it is involving, Saji? Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training, prediction. One more time. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, model creation, model training, prediction. Please make a note on this, right? And next one will be the third one, accuracy, error, and model. I would like to talk about accuracy. Then 1 minute. So for previous batch, evening 5:30. Let me just try to touch any running nodes. The same flow you should have actually. What terminals I have used, I wanted to know. The third one recently I have created actually. Then ML inputs, outputs, model and error. Oh, ML inputs, outputs and model error also. Good. These are all points are important. ML inputs, outputs and model accuracy, error. Accuracy produces. Then here let me take this step. This is the third heading. Okay. No. Don't worry. I will read one by one. You will get a clarity. Let me take the same thing. I'm sorry. మీరు white notes లో రాసేస్తున్నారా? No need to try. You can call like this also. Right? So fine then. Let me just try to read one by one. You will get a clarity. This is what you need to be understand, Sarji. Then I can close this one. Before closing, let me read everybody. The third step is so called as the third step is machine learning having, tell me Sarji, inputs. We need to provide input. Machine learning also having what, man? Output. And next one, model. And the last one is called as what terminology, error. What terminology? Error actually. Good. Step number 1. Input and output should be, one more time, input and output should be, for machine learning, you need to provide input and output. It should be array format. It should be what format? Did you remember ML flow? Here I already specified. Can you talk with me? Array data. Okay. Now kindly please make it. Input and output should be array format. The next one, input should be, sir, this is damn sure important. Very, very important actually. Input. When you're talking about input actually, yeah, Daniel, input, it should be column format only. It should be what format? Then otherwise what happened? You will get a warning. It's not error actually, you will get a warning. Output should be row format. Output should be what format? Row format. And the last point, what is the last point? Good model. One more time. Good model equals to low bias plus, where is bias and variance? Here I introduced it actually. Low bias and low variance is the good algorithm. Are you with me or not, sir? You can reconnect everything actually, right? Good model equals to low bias plus what exactly? Low variance. And again, good model in general, you can say good accuracy plus what, man? Less a small error. Small error. Instead of less, I can make it like a small error. Good terminology, right? And one more point, sir. Error never be 0. The next one, error never be negative. One more time. Error never be 0. The next one, error never be negative actually. Negative, right? And here I can make it something like this so that it will be more clear, right? Now, so if anybody joined just now, let me give a small recap. Then I can continue today's session actually. Right? I started today's session. How I have started it. If you wanted to become expert in ML, the prerequisite will be Python Pandas feature engineering. If anybody don't know Python Pandas feature engineering, I'm sorry for saying you cannot understand ML. మీకు ML అర్థం కాదు. right? But anyway, please do the small revision in your free time. ML fundamentals. These ML fundamentals, with my experience, with my whole teaching experience and working experience, I created ML fundamentals. There are only 3 fundamentals. There are only how many, sir? 3 fundamentals. What is the first one? ML flow. Next one, ML steps. Next one, in ML, input, output, model, error. Come on, one more time. Inputs, output, model, error actually, and error. Input is representing with capital X and output is representing with Y. Yeah, small y. Yeah, then this flow is important. Under ML flow, these are all steps. Data set, data frame, feature engineering, array, machine learning algorithm, cost function, gradient descent algorithm, increasing accuracy, decreasing error, bias error, low bias, high bias, variance error, low variance, high variance. I didn't even give a definition what is a bias, what is a cost function. We have a separate discussion. This is something like before teaching A for apple, B for bat, I am teaching alphabets. A to Z letter I am teaching. Are you ready, sir? Move on to the discussion. The next one will be ML steps. Next one is what, man? ML steps actually. Come on, let us read. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training, prediction. Good. The third step will be ML inputs, outputs, model and array. Input and output should be array format. Input should be column format. Output should be row format. Good model means low bias plus low variance. Repeating again, good model means low bias plus what, man? Low variance. Even in general, this is the technical definition. In general, good model means good accuracy and small error is acceptable. And one more point, wherever error word came actually, remember one thing, error never be 0. Error never be, I will tell you later why it never be 0. The next one, error never be negative. So please, these points before you are coming for tomorrow session, first to prepare these points, then start ML introduction. Start what, Sarji? ML introduction. Are you clear, Sarji? Yeah, move on. Then I hope this one also I need to capture running notes, right? Guys, very, very important, sir. మీరు మిస్ చేయకండి. These 3 diagrams you kindly remind me. End of the session I will tell you. That's it. ML fundamental. I can make it. Okay. So for your better understanding, I have created a nice snapshots before you are coming for tomorrow. Trust me, tomorrow I will ask everybody. First I will ask ML flow. Next I will ask ML steps. Next I will ask, explain about input and output, model accuracy, what you know. Now model error. Model and model and error. Good. First flow, we have to prepare. No need to talk now. So the second one, ML flow. Second one is what, Sachi? ML flow. The next one is what, sir? ML steps. Don't get confused. I like to order like this. Ila type chese chala baguntundi. You will come to know flow. I would like to make it, this one is a starting point, this one is ending point. That's the main motto actually. I don't want to explain first step, second step, third step, fourth step, not like that. I would like to start from left to right. You will get a more clarity. That is the main motto. What is the third one, Sergey? I'm sorry. What is the second one? ML steps. What is the third one? Input, output, model and error. Model and what, Sergey? Error. Error never be 0. Error never be negative. Input should be column format. Output should be, one more time, input should be, output should be. Trust me, every point I will show you practical. So before explaining about practical, I would like to explain these are all steps very clearly. Online team, you are clear, right? Can somebody respond, please? Clear కదా sir? మీకు అర్థమైందా? Close that. Yeah. All previous batches actually. Same running notes I used to follow. Now let us enter into the ML. ML introduction lo ఇప్పుడు start అవుతుంది. Maybe I already so last week few points I kept already hold. Last week I already given small quick introduction. I can just try to follow the same thing. We can move on. Okay, introduction points. Let's even open our material. We are starting, sir. Topic. We are entering into the topic. Trust me, it is very easy. Before entering into the definition, I would like to give a small quick introduction, right? So today the topic name is so called as ML introduction. What is the topic name? ML introduction. ML introduction having the points actually below points. What are the points, you know? Daniel, I wanted to write a program in data science. Then you need to install Python. I wanted to do the data analysis. You need to install what, man? Pandas. Then I would like to play with, I wanted to create an array. Talk with me, NumPy. I wanted to do the data visualization, Matplotlib. Instead of array, you can say like a data speed processing. Data what, man? Speed processing. Then go for array. Go for what exactly? Array. NumPy array. It's okay. For every step, there is a separate library. Now, Daniel, I wanted to do the prediction. I wanted to do what, man? Prediction. Are you planning to do the prediction actually? Yeah, Daniel. Then you need to install a library. Library name is a? Scikit-learn. One more time. Library name is a? Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn especially meant for machine learning. Meant for what, man? Machine learning. You will get an idea. Daniel, you are talking about the machine learning. Machine learning means what? What do you mean by machine learning? You know, first of all, let me tell you what is a Python. Simple. Python is a programming language. Whole Python, how I covered, you know, group of topics. Among all group of topics, these are all important. First one is a data structure. Next one is a function. Next one is a whoops. We have other topics like a variable, data types, input, output. These are all. Also, I covered actually module, package. Am I right? Functions. Good. Then when you're talking about the pandas, can you talk with me? What is a backbone? You know, the backbone is a data frame. Backbone in the sense, imagine if data frame is not there. Pandas is, I'm sorry for saying, not up to the mark actually. In Python, data structures, functions, whoops, these concepts, imagine if it is not available. Python is not become that much popular actually, right? Same thing like that. NumPy, what is the major topic? Same thing like that in machine learning. It's a simple, the major topic is group of algorithms. Major topic is what, Sarji? Group of algorithm. Conclusion of the story, these algorithms are doing prediction. Algorithms are doing what, man? Prediction actually. Doing the prediction, right? Like how list is storing the data, how function is calling. By using how data frame, we can do the data processing. These algorithms. So what is the main motto? Algorithms are doing what, man? Prediction. Trust me, algorithm is a predefined class. Algorithm name means what, man? It's like a predefined class. Just we need to import a class and create an object, call a method. That's it. Just a matter of three steps. But you need to do the deep dive. Conclusion. I wanted to tell you, machine learning is a subject. Machine learning is what, man? Subject. Right? Though machine learning means what exactly, man? Group of algorithm. Now, what is the full form? You know, machine learning algorithms. Chapana Sarji? Machine learning algorithms. One more time. Machine learning. I need a response. Machine learning. I will tell you very clearly what is normal algorithms, what is machine learning algorithms. I will explain. I will start explain. First of all, what is algorithm? What is not ML algorithm? What is ML algorithm? You will get a clarity, right? And because of all these algorithms are doing what exactly, man? Prediction. Machine learning is a subject. By using this, we can do what, man? Oh, this point I have written here actually. The next one, machine learning equals to, I need one small conclusion. Tell me, sir, group of algorithms actually, right? This one is the best definition. Just last week I have written for you. Imagine there is a data. If you apply pandas, what happen, you know, Sachi? You can talk about the minimum value. You can even talk about the maximum value, median, maximum, sum, length. Many things you can talk. Head method you can apply, not top, bottom actually. Tail method you can apply, group by you can apply, even numbers you can find out, odd numbers you can find out, many things you can apply, right? And quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. How to get actually all quartiles? Very good, describe. You already know, I guess, actually, right? The next one, Daniel, it's okay. If I apply pandas, this is the result actually. But if I apply ML, then ML will tell, can you tell me, sir, next number is? This is seriously awesome. Best example, imagine this one is a data. ML will talk what is not existing. ఇందులో లేని డేటా గురించి మాట్లాడుతుంది, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఫ్యూచర్ డేటా. వాట్ డేటా సర్జ్? Future data it will talk actually, right? This is just for fun definition for your better understanding. I want you to talk with prediction. Next number you're talking about what exactly mean? 11. But what is ending point here actually? Even 11 we know, but ML will come to know. That is awesome. ML means program. ML means what man? Program actually. Can I continue? Move on to the discussion. I'm entering into the topic. Online team, are you clear till now? I need one response, sir. We are entering ML introduction till now. I engaged with a nice polished content, good content. Today December 15. Okay. Can I give you a small agenda? Good. So now let me close these are all. Here is a practical. From here to here, almost repeating again. Here we are going to write a program. Here we are going to write what man? Program. The topic name is a machine learning train and test data sets. One more time, machine learning train and test. Then Daniel, what about 1 to 6 actually? 1 to 6 is completely theory. 1 to 6 is completely what man? It made 2 days theory. How long time? But let me tell you, 2 days theory, trust me, total ML you will understand. Unfortunately, if you didn't understand this theory, I'm sorry sir, ML meeku ardham kaadu. I'm telling you again, please be focused on the theory. Did you remember when I started the Python? First I will explain about the fundamental, then I used to go to the example, fundamental, example, fundamental, example. Let me follow the same pattern. You will get a clarity actually. Okay, now let us start. What is the first one you know, Sarji? Machine learning. Come on, machine learning. Let's open machine learning introduction. Right, so it is a technique which enables computers to learn automatically from past data. $1,000 interview question. During interview, being a beginner, if you are a fresher or a beginner, first they will start, what is machine learning algorithm, they will ask actually. Then this definition you need to tell. Come on, read everybody. It is a technique which enables computers to learn automatically from. Meeku ardham kaledu. I understand you didn't understand. Let me read the definition here. I will explain. Daniel, what is machine learning? I would like to explain like a points wise. I hope you already know. Can I copy this point? It is a technique. Okay, technique for what? Which enables to whom? Which enables computers to learn automatically from past data. It's like a single point, but I like always divide and conquer. I like always what man? Divide. Vibhajinchu palinchu antaru kada. Right, good. Simple first point, when you, if anybody talking about the machine learning, can you tell me it is a, one more time, it is a, technique. Technique for what? Which enables computer. This technique internally it will talk with computer. It will enable, hey computer, please wake up. When I say computer, it enables what exactly no? Your hardware with algorithm. Hardware with what man? Algorithm actually. Good. So which enables computer? Why it is enabling, you know, Sarji? Can you talk with me? This two words is awesome, Sarji. Can you repeat one more time? To learn. One more time. One more time. To learn. Okay, we'll see. Then can you talk with me automatically? One more time. Automatically. You no need to write any extra program. It will learn automatically. To learn automatically, definitely one thing is required. What is that one, you know, Sarji? From? Okay. Then let me talk about the human learning. Let me talk about what? Then you will get a clarity. Can I continue? Good. Let me just try to write here. First I can write here human learning. Next I would like to write here machine learning. Then such a nice comparison you will get a clarity. Good. So when it comes to human learning, so it is a intelligence. It is what exactly mean? It's okay. It is a technique. Human learning is a technique. It's okay. I can give the same point here. Even this one also technique. This one also what exactly mean? Technique. And here what we are enabling, you know, Sarji, we are enabling our brain. What is enabling? Brain actually. Oh, we are learning, our learning experience come from brain. We are all humans, we are learning on daily. And our learning experience come from where, Sarji? Brain. Hold on. Yeah, good. But when it comes to machine learning, first of all, no brain. First of all, what exactly, sir? No brain. Then it will enable, what it will enable, Sarji? It will enable the computers. Chappan, Sarji, it will be enable. Let me tell you, inside computer, algorithms are existing. What is available? Algorithms. Best example is a robo. Robo is the best example, Sarji. When you say hi, internally it will ask algorithm, somebody saying hi, what I need to respond. Algorithm will tell, say hello. Say what exactly, man? Best example, actually, right? All robots, backend algorithms. Backend what, man? Algorithm, don't worry, I will tell you. I will teach you in such a way that you will become expert, actually. To learn automatically, code enables our brain to learn what exactly? Automatically, yeah, here also same point, actually. Can you tell me, sir, this is what exactly? Past data. We are all humans who learn from past experience. Oh, this is seriously nice definition. If you really follow this one, past experience. I will tell you one small point. Hold on. Past experience. Can you tell me, sir, this is from what exactly? Past data. Why? Because this is not a human. If it is not a human, no experience, right? So it's supposed to need something, actually. There is nothing but a data. If you are able to compare like this, trust me, you will get a clarity. I mean to say, I'm talking about the learning. I'm talking about what exactly, man? Learning. Learning gurinchi maatladam. When I say learning, two types of learning I would like to tell. The first one will be, Chaptara Sarji, what is the first one? Human learning. Come on, talk with me. What is the first one? Human learning. Next one? Machine learning. Good. Human learning. It is a technique. Yes, learning is a technique. Learning is what, man? You guys joined here to learn data science course, actually. You're daily you're doing the technique, actually, nothing but a practice. Yeah, right. When you are learning internally, you are enabling what, man? Brain, actually. I'm sure when you're coming from hostel, actually, you have to carry your brain. I'm sorry for saying. Am I right or not, sir? Right? We are enabling what exactly, man? Brain. Why we are enabling? Can you tell me? To learn automatically. To learn what, man? This what is important, Sajid? Can you tell me? From experience. I would like to say experience in the sense past situation. Tell me, Sajid. Past. I mean to say previous events. When I say experience, don't worry. Experience ఇంకా మీకు మంచి వర్డ్ కావాలి అంటే I can write here. Don't worry. Past situation. Even I would like to tell previous situations, previous events, actually. Many things you can say. Okay. This is called as a experience. Best example. Okay. Man. For this human learning and so machine learning, I will give one more best example. You will get an idea. Let us spend here. Don't worry. Daniel, can you give one best example? I will give best example. So Daniel story. I will tell you one small story. The next one, machine learning also one best example I will give. Machine learning also best example I will give. Let me talk about new mobile. Let me talk about what exactly new mobile. You will get a nice clarity. Team, what is the topic? Just to here we are going to spend another 10 to 15 minutes. Only first line we are going to spend another what exactly, man? 10 to 20 minutes, actually. Come on, let us read the point, actually. It is a technique. Okay, it is a technique for what? Which enables computers. Why it is enabling? To learn automatically from. One more time, Sajid, please. It is a technique which enables computers to learn automatically from. Are you ready? Good. Then I have given such a nice explanation. What is a human learning? Next one is what exactly, man? What is a machine learning? Human learning, let me give one best example. I will explain about my story. You will get a clarity. It won't take just a matter of 1 minute. Can I continue? Sir? Let me continue. Okay. I'm talking about, first I'm talking about under human learning. Best example. I'm talking about this. Please remember this. You will get a clarity. One day what happened, sir? That was, I hope it is Monday. I was having around some 2 years of old. Daniel. This one is a person. Daniel. Kid, actually. My mother name is Kumari. Actually. And that was Monday. Daniel having 2 years of old. How many years of old? Don't ask a question. Though you're 2 years, how you know actual? I like to create a good story for your technical discussion. Trust me, if you remember this story in your lifetime, you never forget the subject. Me lifetime lo subject marchiporu. Am I right? Good, move on. Person Daniel, 2 years of old. My mother name is a Kumari, and that was Monday. Sir, suddenly what happened? You know, we both are playing. So we both are what exactly playing actually, playing each other. My mother is applying tickling and I'm laughing. These are all. Tickling means, I hope you know. Tickling ante చక్లీలు పెట్టడం అంటారు కదా, అరిపాదల్లో చక్లీలు పెట్టడం అంటారు. గుడ్. బోత్ ఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్. సార్ సడన్లీ దెర్ వాజ్ వన్ సర్ప్రైజ్ హ్యాపెన్. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ సర్ప్రైజ్? యు నో, గెట్ రెడీ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. Power gone. What gone actually? Power gone in the sense power cut off. Then that too I was 2 years of old. Suddenly total, that too night